National Electrical Code Section 210.12 requires all 15 and 20 amp branch circuits installed in bedrooms to have arc fault circuit interrupters, or AFCIs. National Electrical Code Section 408.34 prohibits AFCIs from being installed on circuits that supply power to fire alarms, smoke detectors, carbon monoxide detectors, or other devices required by National Electrical Code Section 760. A subpanel cannot be installed in a bedroom if it supplies power to any of the devices exempted from AFCI protection under National Electrical Code Section 408.34. If the subpanel only supplies power to circuits that require AFCI protection under National Electrical Code Section 210.12a, then it can be installed in a bedroom. Subpanels in bedrooms can be convenient for adding additional circuits, but they should be located in an accessible and visible area to facilitate maintenance and troubleshooting. Subpanels should be installed by a qualified electrician to ensure proper grounding and circuit protection. It is important to check the specific local codes and consult with a licensed electrical contractor before proceeding. If you are considering installing a subpanel in a bedroom, it is strongly recommended to consult with a qualified electrician to determine if there are any code violations or practical concerns that would prevent it from being installed safely and in compliance with the electrical code.